Actually, let me just show you real quick. It created 28 pages. Perfect. I'm over the 27 page limit, and I'm going to do a wraparound cover. Okay. I got my inside, I got my outside here, and it's going to be a 6x9, and it's ready to go. Here's what the book cover looks like. Love it. Roo and Bindi, best friends don't match. Love that part. And let's go ahead and download the EPUB. And I'm going to show you while we're on here how quick it really is. Okay. Now, I showed you on another one what we've made with this children's book from start to finish. We're going to make a Kindle ebook and a paperback real quick. So I'm going to just go create ebook, book title. I'm going to pull it off of BookMasher. Roo and Bindi, best friends don't match. And that looks good. And I'm going to come down here, and it's not in a series. I'm going to call it edition number 1, Stella Winslow. And again, I'm going to come in here and make myself the editor. So I'm linked into the book. Description. We did this down here, Amazon Kindle listing. We're going to auto-generate the description and auto-generate the keywords. Copy that. Paste that here. I own the copyright. No. Reading. Let's say it's like 5 years old to maybe 15-year-old. Primary marketplace, Amazon. Choose the categories. It's going to be children's books. Choose a subcategory. And we're going to do ages 6 to 8. And I'm just going to choose action and adventure. And go ahead and mysteries and detectives. Save categories. And I got one more category I can choose. Children's ebooks. Select the category here. And I'm going to put animals in there. And it's fiction. Okay. Save the categories. Now I need my keywords. So again, I'm just popping over to BookMasher. And I'm going to paste these in here real quick. Okay. I'm ready to release my book right now. Save and continue. And I think I've already, yep, got the EPUB ready. And while that's downloading, I need to make sure I got my book cover. Come back here to customize cover. Yep. So since I'm not making any changes, I can just download front cover here, or I could just front cover it right here. It's part of JPEG. That's good. Let's just take a look at it real quick. Yep. Looks fine. Come back over here. Got the manuscript uploaded. Say no here. And I'm going to upload my cover. There's Roo. Now I'm doing this just to show you how fast you could get this uploaded. Okay, so it's processing. Did we use any AI tools? Sure. Text, I'll just say some. Claude, Perplexity, BookMasher. Images, one or a few. Chat, GPT, Gemini, BookMasher. Just clean that up just a little bit. Translations, make sure you just say none. Okay. Online preview. And you can click this. Okay, I'm going to hit launch preview. We can take a look at it. Looks like everything passed. They got the check mark on it. Okay, there we go. Room. Love it. Really cute. 0 spelling, 0 image issues. So close that and we're done, ready to go. Okay, so the Kindle has been checked and the publisher is VidPenguin Productions. And by clicking, I confirm my answers are accurate. Specify if we use tools. I thought I said yes, but we'll try it again. Yes. Select Chat GPT, Claude, clean it up, OpenAI, Gemini, BookMasher. Translations, none. Okay, now we're good to go. Everything looked good. And I hit save and continue. And always do this, enroll my book in KDP. And I'm going to do a 35% so I can lower the price. I'm just going to make it 99 cents. And the reason I'm doing this, guys, is I just want to get some reviews on some of these books, and then I can raise the price at any time I want. once I have a few dozen reviews in there, I'm going to take it up to $2.99 or $4.99. But if I go to $2.99, make a $1.05, or I can change it 70% if I wanted at that time. At this point, you're really counting on reviews to help you push, unless you do some paid advertisements for it. So everything looks good. Publish your Kindle book. Now, because we did the Kindle, we got everything already set for the paperback. So let's do a paperback with it. So let me show you in the children's book what I need to do. I need to come down here to the Kindle. 6x9. I need to make sure it's in color, and interior PDF. I'm going to go ahead and download it, and then I'm going to download the wrap cover. Okay. Now there's a trick for these low page count books that you're going to do in full color, and I'll show you what that is. So we'll go over here to create and manage books, and I'm going to come down here and go continue setup. Okay. Everything looks good. Already have the description. Everything copies over from the Kindle, and that looks good. And I'm going to put the age back down to about 3. Actually, I'll leave it at, take it back up to 6. 6-year-olds can probably read this book. And categories are good. Keywords are good. Publication, release my book for sale, save and continue. Okay. I've got the ISBN. Here's where we need, here's the biggest difference, is if you're doing a children's book with full color, you need to choose this right here. Okay. If you choose this, look at your minimum page count, 72 to 600 pages. If you choose this one, you can go down to 24 pages. Okay. So we're going to do 24 pages. A 6x9 is the trim size. Actually, that's what I want right there. 6 1/4 by 9.21. Reason I need that is that's what we chose right here. Okay. No bleed. And let's go ahead and put a glossy finish. Actually, I'm just going to do a matte finish. And upload the manuscript again. Now that PDF is set up for that full color. That's why we had to re-download that PDF. Okay. Now let's reload the cover, which is set up for that the full color matte finish. Okay, perfect. Okay, and I'm going to let the barcode's going to be put in by them. So everything looks good. Click that. And we're going to launch the previewer. Okay, this looks good. You can tell the bleed parts here, and the ISBN is installed. And so now we're going to just take a look at the book. I love the images in here. That's funny. Oh, they go to sleep together. And there's our author right there. Okay. So we're good. We did the preview of it, and I'm just going to hit approve. Okay. Now we're ready to hit continue. And there's the summary. It's going to be, our cost is going to be $4.20 to print it. Request proof. You can, if you request proof right here, you can buy your sample at $4.20 or whatever Amazon platform is on there. Save and continue. Now we need to set the price. Okay. And I'm going to set it at $9.97. Okay. Let's make it $9.99, and I'll get a higher royalty on it. Yep. There we go. Now I can do the expanded distribution channel right here. This tells you what it goes to. So we go to libraries, universities, and booksellers. I'm going to leave it off. If I did check it, I'm not making any money at the $9.99. So I'm going to uncheck it. I'm just going to keep it retail inside of Amazon. And I'm going to go here and I'm going to look to see any that has the notes there that I may need to change. Okay. And it looks like I need $9.99. So by doing this, is I'm just maximizing what I can get for it at this price, just raising it slightly. I need to be at 40, and here I need to be at 110. Okay, so 60% is my royalty rate over the cost. So that looks really good. Okay, terms and conditions. I'm going to publish the paperback right now. Okay, that is all there is to it. Hit done. And you'll see where they stand. This is in review. This is in review.